So here's the injection pump on a buddy's car. Somebody tried to replace the seals that were leaking on the pump head, and I guess when it went back together something wasn't lined up, and the shaft on the pump broke off. Here it is here. And so there's all of the inside of the pump as it just fell apart when we pulled the head back off. And yeah, we got a new pump coming. Get that installed. Timing all set. Adjuster all set. And we'll probably flash a tune on it just to get him a little bit more pep. And delete the EGR and all that while we're at it. Anyways, I'll post a video probably again once it's all running. And that's it for today.